Health, the state of being free from illness or injury. Exercise, physical activity that is done in order to become stronger and healthier. Nutrition, the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Hygiene, conditions or practices conducive to maintaining health and preventing disease, especially through cleanliness. Wellness, the state of being in good health, especially as an actively pursued goal. Balanced diet, a diet that contains the proper proportions of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals necessary to maintain good health. Sleep, a natural state of rest for the body and mind. Physical activity, any bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles that requires energy. Expenditure. Hydrate, to provide your body with enough fluid to be healthy. Dental health, the practice of keeping one's mouth clean and free of disease. Mental health, a person's condition with regard to their psychological and emotional well-being. Stress, a feeling of emotional or physical tension. Prevent, to stop something from happening before it occurs. Illness, a disease or period of sickness affecting the body or mind. Healthy, showing physical, mental, or emotional well-being. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I try to eat healthy foods for my health every day. 2. She enjoys doing exercise at the park in the afternoon. 3. Nutrition is important, so I eat lots of fruits and vegetables. 4. Good hygiene means washing your hands before eating dinner. 5. Wellness includes taking care of your mind and body. 6. A balanced diet includes eating vegetables, fruits, and proteins. 7. My mom says that sleep helps our bodies rest and grow. 8. Physical activity like running keeps me strong and healthy. 9. Remember to hydrate by drinking water throughout the day. 10. Brushing your teeth daily is essential for dental health. 11. Talking to a therapist can help improve mental health. 12. Too much stress can make you feel tired and anxious. 13. Eating well can help prevent sickness and diseases. 14. Staying clean and healthy can prevent illness. 15. I feel so good when I eat healthy and stay active.